If you want a perfectly clean lawn edge that makes your yard look professionally maintained, choosing the right lawn edger is absolutely essential. But with so many cordless, gas-powered, and electric options available, finding the best one can quickly become overwhelming. That's why today we're counting down the best edgers you can buy right now, carefully selected based on power, cutting precision, durability, ease of use, and overall value for homeowners and professionals alike. Whether you're upgrading your landscaping tools or buying your first edger, this list will help you choose faster and smarter. Quick reminder, we've placed all product links in the description box below so you can check current prices, reviews, and full specifications anytime during the video. If something catches your attention, feel free to click and explore more details instantly. Make sure you stay until number 1 because our top pick delivers professional-grade performance with advanced design that truly stands out. Now let's start the countdown with number 5. Starting our list at number 5, we have CRAFTSMAN 20-volt max edger lawn tool, cordless lawn edger with battery and amp charger. CRAFTSMAN 20-volt max cordless lawn edger is an excellent choice for homeowners who want the convenience of cordless operation without sacrificing cutting performance. Powered by a reliable 20V battery platform, this edger eliminates the hassle of extension cords while providing enough power for maintaining sidewalks, driveways, and garden edges with clean, precise lines. One of its standout features is the lightweight and ergonomic design, which makes it comfortable to handle during longer sessions and reduces fatigue for users of all experience levels. The adjustable blade depth allows you to customize edging based on lawn conditions, giving more control over the final look of your yard. Another advantage is the quick start functionality. Simply press and go without dealing with gas mixing or complicated setup. The included battery and charger make it a ready-to-use package, ideal for beginners entering the cordless lawn tool ecosystem. This model is particularly suited for small to medium-sized yards where maneuverability and simplicity matter most. While it may not replace heavy-duty commercial equipment, it delivers reliable performance for everyday residential use. Overall, the CRAFTSMAN cordless edger balances portability, ease of use, and efficiency, making it a smart entry-level option for clean lawn edges. For more detailed specifications and pricing, check the link provided in the description box below. Coming in at number 4, meet the BLACK+DECKER 12-amp 2-in-1 landscape edger and trencher. The BLACK+DECKER 12-amp 2-in-1 landscape edger and trencher stands out for its versatility and consistent power delivery. Designed for users who want more than just edging, this tool easily converts between a standard lawn edger and a trencher, making it ideal for landscaping projects such as installing landscape lighting, irrigation lines, or garden borders. Powerful 12-amp motor provides strong cutting performance, ensuring crisp edges even through dense grass or tougher soil conditions. One of the biggest advantages is the corded electric design, which offers unlimited runtime without worrying about battery life, perfect for larger lawns or extended work sessions. The adjustable depth settings allow precise control, enabling users to create professional-looking edges while maintaining consistency across different areas. Additionally, the 3-wheel configuration improves stability and balance, helping maintain straight lines with less effort. Users appreciate the relatively simple assembly and straightforward operation, making it accessible even for those new to lawn maintenance tools. Compact design also helps with storage when not in use. Overall, this BLACK+DECKER edger provides dependable performance and multi-function capability at a reasonable price point, making it an attractive option for homeowners who want added versatility. For more detailed specifications and updated pricing, check the link in the description box below. At number 3, we have Wild Badger Power 26 cubic centimeters Weed Wacker gas-powered 4-in-1 string trimmer with wheeled edger. The Wild Badger Power 26 cubic centimeters gas-powered multi-tool offers incredible versatility, combining multiple lawn maintenance functions into a single system. This 4-in-1 setup includes a string trimmer, brush cutter, wheeled edger, and additional attachments, making it an excellent solution for users who want maximum value from one machine. Powered by a 26 cubic centimeters gas engine, it delivers strong performance suitable for heavier-duty edging and trimming tasks, especially in larger properties where cordless tools may struggle with runtime limitations. The wheeled edger attachment improves stability and precision, helping users achieve straighter lines while reducing physical strain. Another advantage is the extended reach capability, which makes it easier to work around obstacles, fences, and landscape features. Gas power also means you're not tied to cords or charging schedules, offering true mobility across bigger yards or professional environments. While gas-powered tools require slightly more maintenance compared to electric models, the added power and flexibility often make it worthwhile for demanding tasks. This tool is especially appealing for homeowners who want an all-in-one landscaping solution without purchasing multiple separate machines. Overall, the Wild Badger Power System delivers versatility, power, and multi-function convenience. For more detailed information and current pricing, check the product link in the description box below. Taking the number 2 spot, meet the WORX WG896 12-amp 7.5-inch corded electric lawn edger and amp trencher. The WORX WG896 lawn edger is widely recognized for its powerful performance and precision-focused design. Equipped with a strong 12-amp motor, this corded electric edger delivers consistent cutting power that easily handles thick grass and compact soil edges. One of its most impressive features is the 7.5-inch blade combined with adjustable cutting depths, allowing users to achieve professional-looking edges tailored to different landscaping needs. The ability to convert into a trencher adds versatility, making it suitable for creating clean trenches for cables, irrigation systems, or garden projects. A key advantage is the sturdy 3-wheel design, which enhances balance and stability during operation, helping maintain straight lines even for beginners. Unlike battery-powered tools, the corded setup provides continuous runtime, making it ideal for larger lawns where extended usage is required. The ergonomic handle and relatively lightweight build help reduce fatigue during longer edging sessions. Many users appreciate its durability and straightforward controls, which make operation intuitive and efficient. Overall, the WORX WG896 combines strong cutting performance, reliability, and versatility into a well-rounded package suitable for both homeowners and serious DIY landscapers. For full specifications and pricing details, check the link provided in the description box below. And finally, at number 1, the top-rated product EGO Power Plus Me 08208 inches multi-head edger with carbon fiber shaft and power head. The EGO Power Plus Me 0820 multi-head edger earns the top position thanks to its premium build quality, powerful performance, and innovative cordless design. Built around EGO's advanced battery platform, this edger delivers impressive cutting power that rivals gas-powered alternatives while maintaining the convenience of cordless operation. One of its standout features is the carbon fiber shaft, which provides exceptional durability while keeping the tool lightweight and balanced. The multi-head compatibility allows users to expand functionality with additional attachments, transforming it into a versatile landscaping system rather than a single-purpose tool. Precision edging performance ensures clean, professional-looking results along driveways, sidewalks, and garden borders. The adjustable depth settings and responsive controls give users excellent command over the cutting process, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced landscapers. Another major advantage is the reduced vibration and quieter operation compared to gas-powered tools, improving comfort during extended use. Combined with strong battery efficiency and modern engineering, this edger offers a premium user experience that stands out in the market. Overall, the EGO Power Plus Me 0820 delivers professional-level performance, flexibility, and advanced design, making it our top pick today. For more detailed specifications and updated pricing, check the product link in the description box below. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.